guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna make papaya salad to prevent COVID-19. Guys, if you have anybody don't want to get COVID-19, okay, you need to make this papaya salad. This is young papaya, green one, and green bean and raw eggplant. Okay, this is all three in here already. Remember that this is prevent COVID-19. Did I say it right? Okay, this is hot pepper or the vitamin C in there, garlic or this for protect infection, lime or the vitamin C. That's 2 lime right there, and natural sugar, natural. Okay, coconut sugar. So and fish sauce and raw fish sauce. I'm just trying to say that again. Let me say it right. Prevent COVID-19. When you eat this, you're gonna feel strong. Take care of your immune system. It's no COVID-19 gonna come nearby you when you prepare this food and eat this papaya salad. I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together. This is a hot pepper and garlic all in. Alright, let's go start to make this papaya. Okay, I'm gonna go all in. Like I said, all the vitamin C in here and protect your body. Go ahead, lime juice right here, all in. 2 lime in here. I love sour. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the palm sugar. The palm sugar right there. If not enough at all, we're gonna add. And this is raw fish sauce. Just put about 2 spoons. This Thai fish sauce, I would squeeze about 5 spoons. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead mixing this one. Mix all them together, guys. This is food right here. Protect yourself, okay? This is powerful salad, papaya salad right here. Very powerful. When you eat this, if you get cold, oh man, this stop right away. This is provide you because vitamin C or vitamin C in here. Hot pepper, green bean, green papaya, all that, and garlic. That's like a medicine salad, guys. This is very easy to make if you follow how I do. Very easy, step by step, and then you put them together just like that. Everybody loves this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add more sugar because I taste not enough sugar. This is natural. So this sugar not that too sweet. I'm gonna add on more fish sauce and mix well. Keep mixing until you know when you keep mixing like this, papaya they go soft and nice and good. Let me taste it this time. So good. Very good. That's it. Done, guys. Love it. You can try, okay? I'm gonna show you how to eat it. Taste again. So good. Wake up right away. If you get sick or you get fever, you get energy, you take this one, it's gone. So good. This is medicine salad. I cannot believe I forgot tomato, guys. I forgot cherry tomato because the papaya by themselves taste so good. I forgot, so I'm gonna add tomato. Green tomato I plant on my own. When I add green tomato down there, I'm gonna go ahead and add the fish sauce some more and just mix again. You cannot mix tomato. You can put red tomato, green tomato, and that's no problem either, okay? But I got all green today, so I'm gonna put green. Okay, let's taste again. So good. Complete. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make tuna steak. Eat with papaya and rice. Okay, let's go start it. This is very good tuna. Let's go start it. I'm just go ahead open this up. see that? Gonna go ahead seasoning this tuna. Alright guys, seasoning tuna, I'm gonna use salt right here and black pepper, white pepper, mushroom seasoning. So mix them all together just like that. All the salt mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead put in here. It's very good guys. This is one right here, very tasty. Go both sides, seasoning both sides, and then go to another side. Just like that. Okay, it's already seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead make the steak. To make the steak, I'm gonna use extra virgin olive oil, healthy oil, guys. That's it. Alright, so ready to put the steak down. Here the sizzle guy. Oh my god, cannot wait to eat this. There you go. Simple is that. Okay guys, time to flip over. Oh wow, this is good. Look at this. Oh yeah, yummy. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, tuna fish done. Only 2 minutes of each side. That's it. There you have it. I'll show you how to eat this. Okay, let's cut this tuna. Wow. Look at this. Okay, let's cut. Oh wow, it's perfect. I want it medium rare like this. It's perfect. Perfect. My tuna fish already sliced, look beautiful and perfect cook, medium rare. So let's go start to prepare to eat. Okay, first steamed rice. Eat with steamed rice. Healthy, yummy food, guys. Alright. Okay, here come my tuna fish. Let's go ahead. Put tuna fish steak in there. Then I'm gonna go ahead, papaya salad in there. This very healthy and yummy food, guys. To prepare this way, this Laos taste, L-A-O-S, Laos taste. When you eat, always have some vegetable. It'll be dill vegetable on the side, just like that. Look at this. I prepare for 2 tuna fish steak. Eat with papaya and rice. This is another place. So let's go start eating it, guys. Very good, tasty. You can try to do this way, okay? Alright, let's go eat this. Lunch. This is my lunch. Let's eat. First, I'm gonna get papaya with tuna. This Laos taste, guys. If you want to try, go for it. It's very good. Oh my god, so good. So good. Your vegetable.
How good is this?
So good.
Taking the papaya.
Come on, join us. She's so good.
Man.
Better than the restaurant, right?
Oh my god. 10 times better.
That's how you prepare tuna steak. So delicious, guys. Tuna, try it. You guys can try, papaya salad with tuna, or you don't have papaya, it's fine. You always can have with rice and hot sauce. Delicious. Eat with rice, papaya. Tuna fish. Guys, so delicious. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go ahead eat my food, guys. If you really wanna do it, try. It's very easy to make tuna steak. So easy. The way I seasoning the seasoning sauce, just to make the way I make the tuna fish. Very good taste. Look at that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.